Hello guys, what's up? One of our followers is asking me why is it in her tools for the Facebook monetizations already have the subscription tools but there is no subscription button. So if you're facing a problem like this guys, so you can report on Meta support so that they notify or they notice about your problem and they will check on that matter. So how to report on this kind of this problem? Check my tutorial one by one so at least you have idea how to report on subscription they have in your tools but there is no subscription button. So check this one guys. First you need to do is copy the link. So just click the three dot and copy the link first. But make sure you have already screenshot on your subscription that already available at your tools. Then you need to go to your profile and go to create support. So I think all of us they have already create support. Just click on it. Then go to your monetization. Yes. Then after that, check the program eligibility. So your problem is subscription. So subscription eligibility. Click on it. Guys, since I don't have the subscription, but this is only the example because one of my colleague or yes, one of my followers is asking me why is it we need to report to Meta support that why it happened like this. So I'm already here. So for my criteria, it's not yet available. My eligibility criteria is not yet available on my profile. You can contact with them, contact us. Just click the contact us. Then type of issue, it's like product support, payment. So the problem, so for example, the problem is product support. So we will click on the product support. Guys, it's depend on you which the problem of your example. The tools is already there and you don't have yet. Your tools is already, the subscription is there but the subscription button is not yet available. So you can explain. And of course, select the page impact this issue. Just your profile link here. Choose file. So click this one that you screenshot before. Right from there, that guys, click the check. So you can check on that if you will prepare that Facebook engineer does not access my account, reproduce report bugs. So you can click on that. Then after that guys, you can send a report. Click on the send. Guys, after the report that you made, you can check on the support inbox. It's showing there that you been reported on that problem. So you will get the notification that your request, we responded your request. So I got the notification about the subscription issue. So you can check on that, or you can check also in your support, help and support. Then you just go to support inbox. Guys, as you can see in the others, so I have July 18, 2024. It's showing that report on Facebook subscription issue. So when I click on this, okay, it's showing like this. So guys, if you have the problem on your subscription that the tools is already there but no subscription button, so you can report on that and just follow the step that what I'm doing so that Meta support notified and they will check on that. So I hope tutorial that I made today, and please follow for more update and tutorial. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.